I am assistant pharmacist.
Hello, my name is Nurul Septiani. I am cashier. Excuse me, sister.
Can I help you, miss?
Yes, you can help me. I was cooking today. What medicine for it?
How was the cold feel, miss? Feel gum, dry, softness of tooth or allergy?
Cook with vinegar or combat. Try itchy throat, sister.
Do you have a drug allergy?
Yes, I have.
What is a drug allergy?
CTM drug, sister.
Wait a minute, I will ask my pharmacist.
Yes.
Excuse me, mom. Sorry if disturb your time. Okay, no problem. What happened? There is buyer complaints about her illness. She has cold with phlegm accompanied by itchy throat, but she is allergic to CTM drug. How is suggestion of that? Okay, I will meet him now. Yes, miss.
Excuse me, it is true that you are complaining of coffee phlegm and itchy throat and allergic CTM drug.
Yes,
I suggest you should take oroxin syrup.
is there any other syrup available? Because I can't take syrup.
There is, this drug is in tablet form.
If like that, I choose tablet form only.
Okay, no problem.
Do not use staples or paramedication.
Because oroxin drug not contain CTM drug, so they not make an allergies to you. While Alpara drug contain CTM drug that cause allergies of you.
How to use it?
For you using a dose in 3 until 4 times a day.
What is the side effect of this drug?
Side effect is BP. I suggest if you will work, not take this medicine because it endanger of you.
Then should this medicine be taken?
I suggest you take this medicine at night before you sleep, so not disturb your activity.
Thank your suggestion.
Okay, you're welcome.
By the way, how much price of this drug?
It costs 30,000 rupiah.
It is miss.
Okay. Get well soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.